The Ayeyarwady Dolphins. The dolphin is a kind of sea animal that looks like a large fish with a long pointed snout. Dolphins are both intelligent and friendly towards humans. There are several types of dolphins. Among them, the Ayeyarwady dolphin is a popular kind in Southeast Asia. Dolphins of this type are usually found in coastal areas in South and Southeast Asia and in freshwater rivers in Myanmar, Indonesia, and Laos. This species is called the Ayeyarwady dolphin, as it was first found in the Ayeyarwady River in Myanmar. Its scientific name is Orcella brevirostris, and it is one of the endangered species among the freshwater dolphins in the world. The Ayeyarwady dolphin is quite different from other well-known dolphins. Its color may be dark blue or dark or pale gray. It has a rounded head and a very bulging forehead. Unlike other dolphins, it has no beak or snout. The dorsal fin is short, blunt and triangular. The flappers are long and broad. The average length is 2.3 meters and the weight can range from 90 kg to 200 kg. They feed on bony fish, fish eggs, and crustaceans, which are crabs, lobsters, and shrimps. They also eat octopuses and squids. They take food into the mouth by suction, that is, by sucking in it. Ayeyarwady dolphins like to stay in tropical and subtropical waters and near shallow coastal waters. In other words, they live near coast and river mouths. They are also found in freshwater rivers. The Ayeyarwady in Myanmar, the Mahakam in Indonesia, and the Mekong in Laos. They are mostly seen about 1.6 kilometers away from the shore, and they do not usually live in deep waters. In Myanmar, they inhabit the Ayeyarwady River between Mandalay and Bamon. Ayeyarwady dolphins are slow swimmers, and they are generally found in groups of 3 to 6 members, but sometimes up to 15 dolphins are seen together. They usually breathe bringing only the head out of the water. They produce sounds such as whistles, clacks, and screeches to communicate with one another. They can be seen jumping, making bubbles, and hitting the water with their flappers and tails. They can escort streams of water that can reach up to 1.5 meters above the surface of the water. One of the most distinctive characteristics of these dolphins is the mutual relationship they have with the local fishermen. By making a tapping sound against the sides of their boats, the local fishermen used to call the dolphins to drive fish into their cast nets. In return, they rewarded the dolphins with a share of the fish that they had caught. The fishermen tried to get the attention of the dolphins in various ways by striking the sides of their boats with their wooden stakes, by splashing the surface of the water with their oars, and by giving their nets several rapid tugs. Ayeyarwady dolphins are now on the verge of extinction. They are listed as a critically endangered species, that is, it may no longer exist in the future. As the dolphin population declines year by year, they often get entangled in the fishing nets, and they also die as a result of electrofishing and the use of gill nets and explosives. Now in Myanmar, the dolphins are under protection. The region in the Ayeyarwady River between Mingung and Chaomyong is officially recognized as a sanctuary to protect the decline of the dolphin population. The Department of Fisheries prohibits the catching or killing of dolphins. The local fishermen are not allowed to use electrofishing, gill nets, and explosives, which lead to a steady decline of the population of Ayeyarwady Dolphins.